So this is in response to Sandy Ahmed. So when she inquired about the answer for the question number 6 of chapter 21. So here it is. And thank you for inquiring about it, which I did not notice in the earlier case. Thanks for reminding. Thanks for reminding me once again. So in here, they want us to prepare the changes in equity statement for the part A. So let's work it out. So yeah, so statement of changes in equity ended 31st of, my goodness, 30th of April 20-5, and then details, then ordinary share capital, and the next one general reserve, and then retain, and then again, last but not least, total. Yeah, so then on 1st of April, May 24, so we can see, so ordinary share capital, you can even mention it as balance brought down, that'll be the let me fix the alignment over here. Yeah, ordinary share capital 400,000, general reserve 20,000, and 51,500. So the total would be, let's take it, so 400 plus 20 plus 50, 1.5, 471, 500. And then on 1st of August 2004, the final ordinary share for the year ended, the dividend was paid. So then 108. So yes, final order. Let's wait, so 16,000. And then again 16,000 deducted from the total, and then again on 1st of November interim ordinary share dividend for the year ended 30th April was paid. Interim dividend 10,000. And then profit for the year ended, so 30th of 79,500. Then let's take a look at the rest. scrolling down, I will bring him over here. So what did they have to tell us? On 30th of April, these were the proposed ones. Then again, so yes, gender. So then 17,500, and then again 1,500. Then it won't make any difference on the total, and then again proposed final ordinary share dividend at 3%, which is a proposed one. We will not include that in here, so then you can get the final totals. So over here it's going to be 400,000, then again 37,500, and over here let me get the calculator. So 51.5 minus 16 minus 10 plus 79.5 minus 17.5, 87,500. So plus 400 plus 37.5, 525, 525,000. So that would be it. And then again, underline it, and so this is how it would look like. Okay, let me do the embellishing part, and yep, so this is how it is. Yes, so then let me move on to, yeah, so now we can move on to the part B of the question. This is about, it's about prepare the statement of financial position as at 30th of April 2000-5. Let's see. So over here we can say that, so the name of the business, let's take a look at it. So AK Limited. Okay, Limited. Okay. So if we as at 30th April 5, yeah, okay. Okay. So then description, I'm using $sign, $sign, and over here non-current assets, at cost, and then accumulated depreciation and net book value. So then let's take a look at them, but before that let me arrange the alignment of the numbers. So yeah, so non-current assets, starting with premises at cost. Premises for 25,000, and then again equipment at cost 124,000, and then again motor vehicles 80,000. So the provision depreciation on equipment 93,000, and over here motor vehicles 25,000. Yeah, so then let's rely on our calculator over here. So then 425, it's null, then 425, so my bad. And over here, so 124 minus 93, 31,000, 80 minus 25, 55,000. Then the total figure is 55, 31 for 25,000, 511,000. And then we can move on to the current asset section. So let's take a look at it. Do we have? Yes, we do have these things. And yes, starting with the inventory. My bad. Inventory over here, 35,750. Yes, then again, then we have the trade receivables, 32,000. From that we'll be deducting the provision for doubtful debts, which is 800. Over here, if you can take a look at it over here, trade payables and provision for doubtful debts over here. Yes, so then moving on to the net value of 31,200, and then we have 5% debentures, balance at the bank, any other payables, other receivables. Yes, we have other receivables, 1,520, and yes, which is over here. My bad, I ended up highlighting the wrong one over here, the trade payables. It's not the one, my bad. Okay, trade receivables 32,000, and yes, other receivables 1,520. Likewise, yes. Then moving on to the balance at bank, or bank balance over here, 15,000. So that's pretty much everything for this part. Yeah, so checked, and then 35,750 checked. Yeah, so then let's get the total of them all. So yes, 35.75 plus 31.2 plus 1.52 plus 15, 83,470. So the total assets plus 511, 470. Yep, and then we move on to the total capital and liabilities. Okay, added that. We have moving on to this one, then, or we can use it as equity and liabilities. Equity and liabilities. So then in here, so let's start entering them. So yes, ordinary shares. 400,000, and general reserve 37,500, and then again retained profit 87,500. So all in all 511,000, and then they have non-current liabilities, 5% debentures, 30,000, and then current liabilities, trade payables, over here 38,700, and then again other trade payables, 770 it seems, yes. And what else did we miss? Let's see. Other payables, yes, yes, that's all. So then let's get the total of those. 38.7 plus 0.77, 39,470, plus 30 plus 511. Okay, did he miss something here? It seems so. Let's double check. Equipment manufacturing trade payables, yes, correct. Other trade payables 770, 5% debentures, 30,000. Yep. Anything up here? What? No, okay. Okay. 5% debentures, okay. Back. So what's the difference? 580, 594. Okay. Made an addition error over here, so if you have to take a look at these things, okay, as we move on, the total over here is 525, I believe, which I entered incorrectly over here. 400 plus 37.5 plus 87.5, 525,000, it should be, my bad. And then if we have to add them all together, 30 plus 39.470, 594, 470 exactly. So total equity and liabilities. Okay. Line it. Align it, so moving on, underline it. Over here, let's get the totals. 425, 124, 180, 629,000, plus 93 plus 25, 118,000. Yep. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is pretty much it. So as you can see, we have completed the part B of question number 6, the preparation of statement of financial position as at 30th April 2000-5. Yeah, so okay. So then I hope this is pretty much everything, and this would suffice. Thank you for watching this video.